In the sparkling waters of the Pacific Ocean, the mandarinfish dazzles with vibrant blue and orange patterns. This enchanting fish uses specialized skin cells to create its radiant hues, deterring predators with its toxic mucus. In the vast Australian outback, the thorny devil lizard displays remarkable hydration tactics, channeling water through grooves in its skin directly to its mouth. High in the Himalayan skies, the bar-headed goose showcases incredible endurance, flying over towering peaks where oxygen is sparse and temperatures plummet. Through these vibrant colors, ingenious survival strategies, and awe-inspiring feats, we observe nature's endless possibilities and resilience in every corner of the earth.